Okay, good afternoon everybody. This is a quick basic security tip for you. One of the most common uses for entry into properties with burglaries, especially during summertime when people tend to leave their windows open and the window handles ajar, which makes a clear kind of signpost for a burglar that potentially their window's open, is to utilize wheelie bins. So as you'll see over here, I have my wheelie bins. Now the challenge is that they're all unlocked, which means somebody can easily just drag a wheelie bin over to a open window and possibly get in without any hassle. So an easy way to stop the thieves from utilizing your wheelie bins is by something like this, a solid metal chain which you can utilize to lock up your wheelie bins and ensure that they will rather go somewhere else because of the noise that the wheelie bins will make when they try and drag them. So what I suggest is getting one of these, a extremely strong metal chain that you can use to chain up your bins and deter burglars from utilizing your wheelie bins to access your windows. Okay, so just a very basic short 1 meter lock can do if you want, and you can store your bins together. Then effectively a chain across with a nice sturdy lock should be able to do the job. And as you'll see, if somebody does try and grab a wheelie, firstly tug on the rest of them. That's going to be a nice noise for everybody in the area to hear, and not what a burglar wants. It's a nice, cheap security solution. Total cost 13 quid for a solid chain and lock